Welcome back, guys.
Carla's
Here I
Kitchen
have
CC,
some pigtail
best cooking around here.
in
Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious. Yeah, Carla's Kitchen.
Stay tuned.
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC.
Here I'm adding some vinegar, and now I'm squeezing some lemon in here. This will help to cut away the salt. Here's the pigstail, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to season my pigstail, and I have 2 tablespoons of green seasoning that I'm going to add. Here I'm adding black pepper, and I'm adding half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and all these seasoning that I'm adding to the pigtail, I'm using half teaspoon. Thyme, crushed red pepper, for about 20 minutes. Vinegar, onion, bell pepper, and for the bell peppers, I'm using 1/4 of bell pepper. Spring onion, and that is 2 stars of spring onions. So I'm just sauteing the vegetables a little bit. I'm adding the coconut milk. So I'm going to go ahead and season up my coconut milk. So here I'm adding some spice, pimento, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the meat to the pot. Adding thyme, spice pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. Wild food like boiled dumpling, banana, sweet plantain, steamed bami, yes, sweet potatoes, look at it guys, and the meat is coming off the bone. Wow, nice. Stay tuned for the plating guys. Here you have it guys, 1 bowl of delicious pigtail rundown. Yes guys, like up the video, share the video out, and if you're new here, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you will not miss out on my next upload. Thank you so much for your support, and to all my new subscribers, I welcome you all. Thank you so much for subscribing. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. Thank you so much. Enough love to you guys. A lot of blessings to you guys. Thank you so much again for your support. Look at this yummy, delicious pigtail rundown. Guys, tell me what you think about this dish. Tell me if you ever had pigtail rundown before and what did you pair it with. Take care of yourselves, and I'm going to see you again in another yummy video. Bye.